Hey everybody, just a quick video. If you can like this video, I totally appreciate it. So I am just like so happy and ecstatic because instead of being at a pain level of like 9 or 10, I am at a pain level of about 5 today, and that is like glorious. You know, it is such a difference when you're in chronic pain and when you're not in chronic pain. And I totally appreciate the Lord for giving me his strength and taking away this pain and you know, putting me to different people, places, and resources that have assisted me in this journey. So, you know, a shout out for the PT people that have helped me on my journey, and a shout out to the pain injection management that has helped me, and a shout out to all the physical exercises, Pilates, walking, etc. that has helped me on this journey. So if you yourself are in chronic pain and you would like to manage some of the things that to get you back your mobility, I have a lot of different exercises that I can help you with if you would like to, you know, get more mobility back in your life. And I know what works and I know what doesn't work, at least for me, and I hope that it will help you as well. And if you're interested and you need some support, you know, please just reach out to me and I'd be happy to help in any way that I can. And all I just ask for is a donation if you're able to give. So thank you so much for your time today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And you know, today already I did 3 miles and no pain, not at the level like it was before. So I'm just like so happy. So have a good day, everybody.